The morning sunlight powers this incredible exchange. The plant takes in carbon dioxide and gently exhales.
The breath of the forest, oxygen released in a mesmerizing, glowing dance.
Bathed in golden sunlight, this mango leaf performs the silent miracle of photosynthesis, gifting the air with pure oxygen.
Here, the very breath of the world is born, shimmering gold in the light. Drifting softly on the breeze, golden light.
In this stunning macro view, we witness the plant breathing, releasing pure oxygen bubbles. Witness the quiet miracle of photosynthesis. Tiny bubbles of pure oxygen rise from the vibrant green leaf.
Hidden within the forest canopy, a silent miracle unfolds. The breath of the oak tree, pure oxygen released as shimmering gold.
The silent breath of the forest, creating the very air we breathe. Witness the breath of the lotus, pure light returning to the air.
Caught in real time, the glowing particles rise, evidence of the oxygen being produced by the flytrap.
The breath of the vineyard, captured in golden light.
The leaf breathes, releasing the very essence of life into the air. This glowing mist is the oxygen.
Deep within the canopy, the banana leaf releases the very essence of life, pure oxygen.
Every leaf a tiny factory, transforming sunlight into the shimmering particles of life itself.
And in this moment, the leaf breathes, releasing the very essence of life into the misty air. The ocean's breath, captured in stunning detail.
In this extreme macro view, we witness photosynthesis in action. Tiny bubbles of pure oxygen released into the air. Witness the quiet miracle of photosynthesis. tiny sparks of oxygen rising from the surface of this cotton leaf.
In this macro view, we witness the serene process of photosynthesis as the leaf exhales pure, glowing oxygen into the humid air.